Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are happy and fit. Students, look here. This is a zoo scene. Which scene is this? Zoo scene. Look here, so many animals are here. Elephant, giraffe, zebra, monkey, lion, and see two ducks are here. This is zoo scene. Zoo. This is zoo scene. This is zebra. Zebra. Zoo. And look here, zigzag. 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 And all these are started from letter Z. Z says Z. Z says Z. Zebra. Zebra. Zoo. Zoo. Zigzag. Zigzag. Zero. Zero. And zero means nothing. Zero. Zebra. Zebra. Zip. Zip. Zoo. Zoo. And look here, this is letter Z. And look here, sleeping line, slanting line, sleeping line. This is letter Z. Sleeping line, slanting line, sleeping line. This is letter Z. Z says Z. And look here how you will write. Start from here. Sleeping line, come down, slanting line. Now sleeping line. This is letter Z. Z says Z. Now look how will you write on these four lines. Start from this red line, sleeping line. Now come down. Now touch this second blue line. This is slanting line. Now sleeping line, letter Z. Sleeping line, slanting line, sleeping line. This is letter Z. Z says Z. Now look how will you write without dots. Start from here, touch this red line, sleeping line, slanting line, touch this blue line, second blue line. Now sleeping line, letter Z. Z says Z. Z says Z. Sleeping line, slanting line, sleeping line. This is letter Z. Z says Z. Z says Z. Now look here. One zebra is standing here. Now follow path of letter Z. Start from here. Follow path of letter Z and take the zebra to the zoo. Take the zebra to the zoo. Start from here. Z. So many Z are here. Follow path of letter Z. And this is zoo. This is zoo. Look here, so many Z are here. And look here, this is zigzag. What is this? Zigzag. Now color only those things whose names begin with letter Z. Look here. This is zip. Now look here. This is orange color. And I am coloring this zip with orange color. This is zip. Z, Z, zip. Which sound is coming? Z. Z is the sound of letter Z. Z, Z, zip. So, zip starts with letter Z. Z, Z, zip. Look here, this is butterfly. Which sound is coming? B, B. B is not the sound of letter Z. So, I will not color butterfly. Look here, zero. Zero means nothing. Zero. Which sound is coming? Z, Z, zero. And Z is the sound of letter Z. So, zero starts with Z. Z, Z, zero. Letter Z. I am coloring this zero with orange color. Z, Z, zero. Now look, this is zebra. What is this? Zebra. Z, Z, zebra. Z is the sound of letter Z. Z, Z, zebra. Now I am coloring zebra because this starts with letter Z. Z, Z, zebra. And this is grey color. Which color? This is grey color. Z, Z, zebra. Z, Z, zebra. Look here, this is hat. Hat. H, H. H is not the sound of letter Z. So I will not color hat. Letter Z. Z says Z. Z says Z. Now bye students.